I read an article this morning on law.com about firms that are putting the clamps down or that have always had them down because they're too worried about what's going to happen on social media and that they don't necessarily trust their people to make good decisions. So they don't let them use social media, or they have to review everything that they do. And we need to talk about that for a couple minutes today because that concerns me greatly in this day and age. Welcome back to Legal Marketing Moments. I'm so glad that you're here. I'm Nancy Myrland with Myrland Marketing and Social Media. All right to the topic, because Legal Marketing Moments is my 2 to 3 minute podcast. So let's go at it. If you are still in the mode of not letting people use social media or putting such a tight rein over people, regardless of their position, and asking them to not use social media or asking to review everything that they do, then you need to take a few steps back, because these are such good tools to extend the brand of the firm as well as to build relationships and reputations, building the relationships with those people that you and everybody in your firm care the most about doing business with or learning from, and then building your reputation. That's on an individual level, which contributes to the overall brand of the firm, but it's also building a reputation that really has a huge impact on one's longevity, one's career. And if it's a matter of they haven't been trained well enough, then invest in that. Make sure that there are reminders, and not just once and then it goes away, but schedule them regularly. Schedule, whether it's one-on-one training, it's ongoing training, it's let's build up a course repertoire of sessions, or I'm happy to modify or customize my LinkedIn course for lawyers, if you will, for your firm specifically. Or you might just, and this isn't a sales pitch, but you might just want to just let them take it and then take it again once a year or so. But please don't hold your people back from using social media because you're worried that they're going to ruin something or break something. And if you're out there saying silly things on social media, this is for users now. If you're out there doing things that you would not do face-to-face with your clients, then you need to pull back a little bit. And you're intelligent. So I would say use your intelligence, use common sense. All right, we can talk about this more, but I was inspired after listening to or reading that article on law.com, and I thought, please, in this day and age, why are we still having this conversation? Why are we not training our people and then using them as an army of marketers and brand builders? All right, if you have any questions or comments, just let me know. I'm at nancy@myrlandmarketing.com. And again, this is not meant to be a sales pitch, but since I mentioned it, I will tell you that LinkedIn course for lawyers can be found just right there, linkedincourseforlawyers.com. And I'm starting up another cohort very soon. So please let me know if there's any interest there. All right, talk to you soon. Bye-bye.